Did you know that nearly 90% of successful executives wake up before 6 o'clock in the morning? Yes, an early start, coupled with a healthy morning routine, can truly set the stage for a productive and satisfying day. So, what are the elements of a healthy morning routine? Well, it begins with waking up early. By rising with the sun, you give yourself a head start, and more importantly, you avoid the stress of rushing. Next, hydrate. Well, after a good night's sleep, your body craves water, so quench this thirst. A refreshing glass of water rehydrates your body and kickstarts your metabolism. Now it's time to stretch or do a light exercise. Whether it's yoga, a brisk walk, or a short workout, getting your blood pumping boosts your energy levels and prepares you for the day. Following this, engage in mindfulness or meditation. A few minutes of silence, reflection, or deep breathing can center your thoughts, reduce stress, and improve mental clarity. Next on the agenda, a healthy breakfast. Your body needs fuel, and a nutritious breakfast provides the right balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Whether it's a smoothie, yogurt with fruit and nuts, or whole grain toast with avocado, a healthy breakfast offers a solid foundation for the day. Then, embrace personal hygiene, brush your teeth, shower, and follow your skincare routine. This not only refreshes your body but also signals the start of a new day. Now plan your day. Review your schedule, set your priorities, and establish your goals. This simple act of organization can reduce stress and enhance productivity. At this point, engage in reading or learning. Stimulate your mind with a book, news articles, or educational material. This can uplift your mood and set a positive tone for the day. Now express gratitude. Reflect on the things you're grateful for. This simple act of appreciation can cultivate a positive mindset and boost your overall happiness. Then disconnect from screens. Avoid the urge to check your phone or emails first thing in the morning. Instead, give yourself a technology-free period to maintain a calm and focused mindset. Next, step outside to get some fresh air and sunlight. Even a short walk can regulate your circadian rhythm and boost your mood. Now set your intentions, think about your goals and what you want to achieve during the day. This keeps you focused and motivated. Lastly, consider journaling. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, or things you're grateful for can be therapeutic and reflective. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all morning routine. It's about finding what works best for you. So experiment with these activities and create a morning routine that sets the tone for a successful day. And don't forget to share your experiences. By doing so, you might inspire someone else to start their day on a positive note.